If you're in your 20s, stop and watch this video. Hey everyone, I'm Crypto Billy with Billy Go Tales, and I do motivational mindsets. You go through life, you learn a lot of lessons. My job that I put on myself is to pass down some of this wisdom so that your road will not be as hard as my road was. There's great life lessons if you take the time to stop and listen to the old man. When I say listen to the old man is the marketplace. The old man are the people that came before you. Wisdom. There's a ton of wisdom out here in this world. It's up to you to seek it and find it. But you have to take the time to watch videos like this and listen to videos like this to improve yourself. And of course, my videos are not the only videos. There's a ton of them out there. Wisdom is valuable and it's free. Watching this video is free. If you're 20 years old, if you're in your 20s, here's what I'm going to tell you. Number one, drive the cheapest, most inexpensive car as long as you can. As long as you can. It might not look cool. Your friends might have a nice, classy, luxury car, but you don't. That's number one. Do not get caught up in the hype. Do not try to look good, be good. Do not try to look rich, be rich. Okay? Number two, buy the most expensive house that you can afford. Now, I'm going to qualify that. Don't go out and buy a house you can't afford. But try to buy the best and the nicest house that you can afford. Stay within your budget. Do not stretch yourself out to try to take on more debt that you can't afford. I'm not saying that. Within your budget, buy the nicest house. We know in 5-10 years, you'll be able to flip that house and make good money. So if you have a couple different houses and one of them is a little cheaper, doesn't always mean that it's in the right neighborhood and it's going to sell for more later on. Maybe the one that costs $5,000 more is in a better neighborhood, and when you do decide to sell it, you're going to make $50,000 more on that. So number one, buy and hold and drive the cheapest car you can. Number two, buy the most expensive house that you can afford. Okay, number three, and this is a big one. It's very important. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first. What I mean by that, you have a job. You come home, you get your paycheck, you got to pay your mortgage, you got to pay your electric, your water, your utilities, maybe a car payment, maybe childcare. The first check you should write, the first sweep from your bank account that you should write is to yourself, even if it's $10. Get in a habit of paying yourself with your hard-earned money first. Pay yourself first. The time value of money over the next 30 years, 40 years for you is going to be huge. So begin building that wealth now. Pay yourself first. If you just do those three things in life, you are going to be ahead of the curve. You are going to be ahead of the curve. Okay, guys, love you. Thanks for watching. This is Billy Go Tales. My name's Crypto Billy. Leave me a comment. I always get back with everybody as much as I can. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Love you. Catch you next time on Motivational Mindset.